Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Rise Armament Trigger. What happened was a couple of weeks ago I took a class with Blue Scorpion training out there, protection, and with Ralph Blue and Jermaine Flythe. Great group of guys out there. If you get to train with Blue Scorpion protection and Jermaine Flythe out there, you go take their classes, guy. I was doing a rifle class up there, and I had a Rise Armament Trigger there in my Spikes Tactical AR-15. The day before, I had taken it to the range and it started hanging up on me. The trigger would not disconnect from the disconnect, and it would hang up. I had to like bang the rifle a little bit so the trigger can reset. It wasn't resetting. So I oiled it and everything the day before, and it started working a little bit better. I had no problems with it until the day before class. So after a good oiling and a good work on the trigger, I took it to class, and once we started the class, it started hanging up on me again. It was a dead trigger. It wouldn't reset. The disconnect would not disengage. It would stay on the disconnect mode. So there was another gentleman there, Mike from Zumbi. Mike was out there also. He said, "You know what? Get with Rise Armament. They might even get you a trigger." So what I did after the class, it was on September the 14th, I believe it was a Monday. I emailed the guys from Rise Armament, and I told them what was going on. They said, "You know what? Send us the trigger, and we'll check it out." Well, that was on the 14th. I think I sent it on the 15th. Well, today is September 25th. Today's September 25th. That's like, 10 days after? I emailed them, sent them the trigger back, and they sent me another trigger. What about that? So this is the unboxing of the trigger. Already opened up this side here, and I want to see what they brought me up in here, what they sent me. So this is the they sent me a new trigger is what they did, and it's the according to them. Whoa, here you go. It's the non-walking trigger, the pins, so they won't walk out. Got that in there. Get the new trigger. It's the new Rave 140. As a matter of fact, I bought a new one for the Spikes Tactical rifle, and I slapped it on there about a week ago. But now I got two, which is good. Hey, they sent me a koozie. What about that? Got a koozie and I got a sticker. So thumbs up to Rise Armament for taking care of me and sending a replacement trigger. What they said, they emailed back and they said, "You know what? You have an older style trigger. The older model has been discontinued. We're going to send you the new Rave 140." So that's what they did. They sent me that. And that was like 10 days after. So within 10 days, they got all that right in there. So not bad, man. Give these guys a check if you guys need a trigger for your rifle or anything. Try these guys out. Rise Armament. They did pretty good. Thumbs up to those guys. But this is what I got from a rifle. So I have an extra trigger. I might put that one in another rifle I'm working on. So let's see how that goes. But just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the trigger. I didn't know what was going to be in there. They said it was the new style, and this is the Rave 140, the newer version, with the anti-walking pins, and it got me a sticker, and it got me a koozie. Not bad, guys. Remember, guys, train how you fight.